Hello everybody, Bruce here with a video overview of your next project or your next web development assignment. What you're looking at is a page. It has a header section. It's got an H1 here. The background has a radial gradient background. You'll learn how to do that in this week's module. Notice the corners are rounded. They have a border radius. Notice that the header has a border. And notice how there's some padding. And then in the main area, we have three sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sections. Each section has an H2. And let's start with the main. So notice we have a rounded upper left corner, a rounded upper right corner, and notice these are square, the lower left and lower right. We'll stick in the main for now. So we have an H2 here, we have some paragraph text. Notice that this text here is a blue color. So you're going to need to create a class and assign it a color and put it in here. And notice how, let's see. Oh, this text right here is bolded using the strong tag and emphasized. So those two tags need to go there. Now here's something interesting. These are 5 links. And notice, right, there are no lines, no text decoration on them. They're all black, okay, the color that is, but when I hover my mouse over each of these links, right, if I click on this link, it's going to actually work and take me to this Zillow listing. Let me close that. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Why'd you make me do that? Let me just do this again. Okay, so notice that those are going to have to be coded. There's a video in a prior week on how to style links. And then this section here, get in touch with Gail. This is a hyperlink. This is an anchor tag with a mail to attribute set. Then we have another one here. Doesn't look like anything special here. But here's another section with the privacy statement. And notice the text here is all justified. So I think a class was applied to this text here. Actually, I think it was this entire section. The text was somehow justified. So you should know how to do that. And let's go to the footer. So the upper left and upper right are squared off. However, the lower left is rounded. It has a border radius. The same here. We have an HTML entity with a copyright, and this paragraph of text is all centered. By the way, we have an unordered list here. We have an unordered list here. We have an unordered list here. Oh, and there's Gail's face. I forgot to mention it. And her avatar, whatever you want to call it, is floated to the right. And notice ever so slightly there's some drop shadow going on here. And same with this. Do you see this right here along the header? And same with the main, has a little box shadow, right? So you want to just it'll all be outlined in the specifications. So you just want to be aware of that, all right? So play this video back and forth when you're going through the text, trying to figure things out. And notice too, there's a little bit of margin here. The header has a margin bottom defined to push it away from the main. And same thing over here. There's some margin bottom going on. All right. So I hope this video helps. And if you have any questions, you know where to find me.